Why do certain movies become favorites?
I don't even know you.
You know me. I'm just like you.
They're the movies we grew up with.
You're the most beautiful, exciting thing I've ever seen in my life, and I don't know anything about you.
And the ones we relive time and again.
We gotta do something. Absolutely. You know what we gotta do?
Tonga! Tonga!
Now, Universal Home Video invites you to re-experience some of your all-time favorites. Introducing Universal Special Editions. A series of truly classic movies, digitally remastered by THX for superior sound and picture quality. Packed with behind-the-scenes footage.
I don't care if you leave this second. What is wrong with you?
Interviews.
I said, well, my agent told me it's a musical. He said, well, it is a musical. I said, well, I can't sing. He said, it doesn't matter that you can't sing. And that was the end of the interview.
Or even outtakes.
Ladies and gentlemen, intense fear. More intense. Much more terror.
And to start things off,
1, 2, 3.
it's one of the most loved films of the 70s. And one of the American Film Institute's 100 best movies of all time. It's everyone's favorite coming-of-age story.
Man, are you all right?
Yeah, I'll die soon and it'll all be over.
From the director of Star Wars, George Lucas. The 25th anniversary Universal Special Edition of American Graffiti.
Let's dance.
You know you make me wanna.
Next, literally anything goes. In the movie that changed the face of comedy.
I'm a zit. Get it?
And taught a generation proper etiquette. And respect for authority. The 20th anniversary Universal Special Edition of National Lampoon's Animal House.
Thank you, sir. May I have another?
Okay, how about a hand that can't be beat? It's Paul Newman and Robert Redford as a couple of grifters going for the big con.
Glad to meet you, kid. You're a real horse's ass.
In the movie that won 7 Academy Awards, including Best Picture.
Not only are you a cheat, you're a gutless cheat as well.
The 25th anniversary Universal Special Edition of The Sting. Universal Special Editions, with more to see and hear, more to celebrate, and more to come, like Psycho, Back to the Future, and Fast Times at Ridgemont High.
Oh, gnarly!
Universal Special Editions. Add them all to your video collection.
Imagine being able to experience your favorite films the way they were meant to be seen. Now you can with the Universal Studios Home Video Widescreen Collection. Over 30 great films, just as the directors originally envisioned them. With conventional VHS formats, you lose up to 1/3 of the picture. But with Universal's digitally remastered widescreen format, you get more of what you want to see. Including the best available picture and sound quality, with new releases available all the time. Universal Studios Home Video Widescreen Collection brings the power of the theatrical experience into your home. Look for these 3 great hits coming soon. Born on the 4th of July, the powerful war drama that won Oliver Stone the Academy Award for Best Director. Clint Eastwood's classic western, High Plains Drifter. And the epic drama, Scarface, starring Al Pacino. The best films, the brightest stars, the biggest picture. The Universal Studios Home Video Widescreen Collection.
Wait, what?